Hello everyone, we've got this question 10 of paper 1 from 2023 and we've got a circle question. So it says a circle has the equation x squared add y squared add 6kx minus 2ky plus 7 equals 0, where k is a constant. Find in terms of k the coordinates of the centre of C and the radius. So we're going to be completing the square as we usually do for these circle questions. So step 1 is just to write down the x terms next to each other and write down the y terms next to each other. Okay, I feel like I'm in year 7. Do you remember doing that in year 7? Okay, so you put those together. We've got the x terms, we've got the y terms. Okay, so now we're going to halve the coefficient in front of the x, so that's going to go to 3x. So x add 3 all squared, take away 3 squared. Same with the y, halve the coefficient that's in front of the y. So y minus k all squared minus k squared add 7. So the next step is to work out the negatives. So minus 3k squared is minus 9k squared, and minus k squared is just minus k squared. So let's collect all our like terms now. We've got our x's, we've got our y's, and we've got 7 minus 9k squared and minus another k squared. So 7 minus 10k squared. So we want to get it over to the other side because we want it in the format x squared add y squared equals r squared. So we're going to add 10 squared to the right hand side, subtract that one from the other side, okay? Perfect. All right, that is good, good, good. So now we've got the expression written in that format, so that's all good. So therefore our centre of our circle is minus 3k, and our radius is our centre is minus 3k for the x and k for the y, because remember we changed the signs here, and our radius is going to be the square root of 10k squared minus 7. So that's part A done for 3 marks. Now part B, 6 marks. This either is going to be really nasty or it's going to be really nice, and I happen to know it's not too bad. So it says a line with the equation y is equal to 2x minus 1 intersects the curve C at 2 distinct points. Find the range of values of k. So to have an intersection twice, it means that our discriminant is going to need to be greater than 0 when we sub in the equation of the line into the circle. So the first thing to do is to sub in the equation of the line into the circle. So 2x minus 1 all squared is going to give us 4x squared minus 4x add 1. And then y is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so when we expand that, we get minus 4kx, and then we get minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2k. Let's collect together all of our like terms. So we've got x squared there, and we've got 4x squared, so that's 5x squared. We've got a minus 4x, and we've got 6kx minus 4kx is 2kx. So when we take out a factor of x, we get 2k minus 4 times x. And then finally, what are we left with? 2k add 7 add 1. So add 1 add 2k add 7 is 2k add 8. So that's our A, B, and C ready to go into our discriminant now. Okay, so B is 2k minus 4, so we want that squared, minus 4 times A, which is 5, times C, which is 2k add 8. So we'll work that out now. So we've got to evaluate our discriminant. So we get 4k squared minus 8k minus 8k, so that says minus 16k there, plus 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 times 5 times by 2k, which is going to be minus 40k, and minus 4 times 5 times 8, which is minus 160. Okay, so we're getting there now. So a lot of working, but no weird, unusual twists or turns yet. So we collect our like terms, and we get 4k squared minus 56k minus 144 is greater than 0. Divide everything by 2. Divide everything by 4 even. K squared minus 14k minus 36 is greater than 0. Solve that in our calculator, and we get that k is plus or minus root 85. Okay, plus or minus root 85. Let's represent that on a sketch just to make it really clear about which way our inequalities are going to go. So we've got 7 plus or minus root 85. Those are our solutions. And when we put those on the sketch here, we get that that one must be 7 plus root 85. This one must be 7 minus root 85. We're looking for the region where it's greater than 0. So that's going to be this region here and this region here. So therefore either k is less than 7 minus root 85, or k is greater than 7 add root 85. And that's our answer. So it was, you know, a lot of working there, but it was quite a fair question of its type. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you in the next video.